Right, so we're going to go for it. Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
Humans. Morning. It's Saturday the 9th of May. Just outside the church in Keyworth. I'm meeting my mate Zoe, who's been on this channel before. Oh, the bells are ringing. That's 10 o'clock. So she should be here in a minute. And we're just going to head out into Nottinghamshire, over the A52 and possibly just into Lincolnshire in a place called Long Bennington. I think the cafe's called Cafe 62. I've never been there before. It's about a 40-mile bike ride, I think, give or take. So hopefully it'll be nice. It's a lovely day, and hopefully enjoy the ride. Here she is. Give a wave. We just had a few technical problems, haven't we? My chain's come off about 5 times already. We've only gone about, what is it, about 2 miles?
I don't think we've got anywhere.
No. Right, let's crack on. These shorts are, I got them as a gift from I used to train science teachers.
Oh yeah.
They got me a voucher for Evans Cycles, so I got some of these. They're about 125 quid. I would never normally pay that. Yeah, but there's a bit too much padding, and they kind of I don't know, have you ever read the divide and rule? Kind of it's not pleasant. They're too much, to be honest. Nether Broughton, make sure I don't call it Lower Broughton again. yeah. I love this cottage here. Was it 1773? Usual route into the Vale of Belvoir. That's a really nice church. Oh, I've been through here so many times, Long Clawson. This is a regular on the channel, Long Clawson. Yeah, we're kind of going to go over that sort of direction. I think we just crossed into Lincolnshire, just over the A1. Near Grantham, not too far really. Sounds far.
It does sound right.
This is a Dove Cottage cafe on the left, which I think it raises money for the hospice down there. Yeah, we've definitely got a wind in our face this way. Yeah, I like this road, it's lovely.
And there's no cars on it.
Yeah. I like this avenue, the trees. I don't think I've been down this one very many times. This is nice. We're heading towards Red Mile, hopefully. So when you said you've got a string vest on, is it like Eddie? Is it like Eddie Yates from Coronation Street or something like that? Yeah. Yeah. Does it work? Does it keep you warm? Traps a layer of air, doesn't it, really? Yeah. What do you think so far?
Pretty good. Sunny.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know if we're going to have to film the cafe just to say we're going to be a little bit later, but we'll see. It's nice. I don't know. Pottering. And if you're enjoying the video, if you'd like to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already, that'd be a massive help. Thank you very much. I think Sat Nav's taken us down this gravel road, so Zoe's checking on her phone. No pressure. Yeah, I'm not convinced about this one. You getting any signal?
Yeah, it's struggling, but it is doing something.
Right, so we're going to go for it. Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
Humans. We'll ask these guys. Right, so we've just met two people who said we can go this way, so we're going to go for it, aren't we? Jeez, definitely a gravel road, a gravel bike path. So, well, I've got a gravel bike. It's a very bog standard Boardman, bottom of the range. Yeah. I mean, this is pretty dodgy, isn't it? Makes the ride a bit more interesting, though.
Yeah.
Some nice countryside as well. Lovely. Meg what, sorry? Megaland.
Yeah, it's mental. I just saw a video of what YouTube.
Yeah.
It's like they start, it's like a mass start race.
Yeah.
And they start at the beginning at the top of the mountain and then drive down basically a snow grass.
Is it, oh god, is that what you fancy?
It looks so fun. But then it goes out onto like very rocky, like sort of very dangerous tracks.
Yeah, yeah.
But I wouldn't enjoy that, but it's falling into snow.
Yeah, that sounds cool. Right, we've got to cross the A52 here, which is very, very busy, but
Going straight across it, enjoy.
yeah, I think so, straight across. I think so, I'll have a look. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's left down here. So this is, what is this, Bottisford, where are we? Oh, maybe I've been here before. Oh, he's letting us go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We've got, yeah, we must cross the A1 in a minute. I think that must be it over there, hopefully. There's the A1. Where's Long Bennington? Oh, it's Bennington. Yeah, this is it. This is it. It's nice. Right, we just had a nice cafe stop there, haven't we? Sorry. But I did say we were in Lincolnshire, but I think it was still in Nottinghamshire, so never mind. Right, we thought we'll get a more direct route back. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice that. Right, let's go. That's where we came from. This is, yeah, this is nice actually. This is a nice road. What's that? Sorry? Catching up.
Yeah.
Oh, patching up the road. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice bit of a woodland. Look at this road. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, no, we came from down there, the other one. So this is, yeah, this is a new one to us. Awesome. Yeah, so this is a really lovely route back. Lots of leafy lanes. Not too much traffic. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. Yeah, is that not one of those beacons, you know, when the Spanish Armada came in 1588 or whatever it was, and they had all these beacons all around the country? Is that not like a replica one of those, where they just lit the beacons to let everyone know the Spanish Armada was here? Yeah, you'd have Yeah, it'd be a bit, just basically a bonfire, but you know, as soon as they spotted the Spanish Armada, that was it. They just light them all, and the next one would be lit, the next one, and then the country would know that the Spanish were arriving. Yeah, full of useless information, aren't they? What's that?
Were they scared of the Spaniards?
Yeah, well, they were going to invade. They sent a massive fleet to invade, but they got beat off by our little ships, and also, to be honest, the weather.
Sure,
Yeah, and they ended up having to go all the way around Britain, and a lot of them crashed in Ireland and all sorts. So we didn't get invaded.
We win.
Well, did we? Because I've tried to learn Spanish so many times and I failed miserably. If they'd invaded and we were speaking Spanish, it would have saved me a job. And all those CDs I bought over the years.
Really? I found Spanish a lot easier than Welsh.
I'm useless at languages. Really bad. Yeah. This is a nice village, isn't it? What are we in now? Is this Austin? Austin. This is. I don't. Oh yeah, that would have been a good idea. Hey, this is posh, isn't it? My pump fell off for some reason. Don't know why.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So this is Car Alston now. Don't know if you can see it. There's a nice pub there. What's that called? The what? The Royal Oak. Right, what have we done? 63 kilometres. I've probably got another, I don't know, about 12k to do, something like that. Just near the A52 Bingham Junction. It's getting warm now, isn't it? Really warm. Yeah, definitely. Ooh. Yeah, I think we can go down this one on the right. Yeah, we'll just spend there. Yeah, this will run parallel to the 46, I think. Well, that's the end of another ride, Zoe. What do you reckon to that one? We've done 75k on that one.
It was a bit of a beast, wasn't it?
Yeah. Was that yeah, it's about another 30 odd. No, about another 25k compared to last time.
Yeah.
What do you think to it?
It's very nice, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it's alright, well, it's good, good that. Right, so thanks very much if you watched it so far, and until next time. Bye now.
See ya.